Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Matsarya, envy. Vaishnava is not envious at all. Vaishnava is non-envious. Envy cannot touch him. Who is envious is a demon. He is not a bhakta, not a devotee, not a Vaishnava at all. You understand? He never becomes envious of anybody if he makes advancement in spiritual path. Rather, he begs for his mercy and develops love for him, and he cries, how I can develop such, make such advancement. He never becomes envious. Vaishnava is non-envious. Nirmasran sadam vidyam. Otherwise, nobody can understand the Bhagavad Dharma Tattva if he becomes envious. In this way, you can subdue the enemies. Then you can make advancement in this path of devotional service. So many instructions are there. In Srimad Bhagavatam you will find many places. 11th canto, 11th canto Bhagavatam says, there is a Lord Krishna's instruction, Padapi juvati bhikhyur naspruset darabhimapi sprusan kariva badhyete karinyanga sangataha. Even a Muni or Rusi who is doing tapasya, severe street and penance, he should not see the form of a wooden form of a woman. Understand? Wooden form. In the bazaar, marketplace, those who are selling saris, they have made wooden forms of women. Put in showcase. The wooden form woman has put on very nice sari, isn't it? Isn't it? You look at, then you look at it. Wooden form. Bhagavan Krishna says, even for Muni, should not look at the wooden form of a woman, should not touch that wooden form with his feet. Don't touch it. Because of this touch sensation, you will be entrapped. Very strong elephant becomes entrapped because of touch sensation. Yes, very strong elephant becomes entrapped by the hunter. This touch sensation, yes. Those who catch elephant, what they do? In the jungle, they dig a very deep ditch. Do you understand? Very big ditch. So in the middle, a high place is there, elevated. They put a trained, sea elephant there. It's trained sea elephant. And the ditch is covered with soft grass. It is completely covered. And the herd of elephants come out from the jungle. At that time, sea elephant produces a sound that by she indicates, I am here, come and enjoy sex with me. Then these elephants came. They come, do you understand? And then now urge is very, impulse is very strong, sexual urge. They run to that sea elephant. They are standing on that elevated ground in the ditch. But the ditch is there, very deep ditch covered. When they go there for this touch sensation, fall down in the deep ditch, then the hunter bound them in strong rope and they are entrapped. Do you understand? Similarly, because of this touch sensation, you will become entrapped. Do you understand? So, instruction is even Muni, Rishis should not touch the wooden form of a woman with his feet. Don't do it. If you do, then that sensation will arise, the strong sexual urge will arise. Then it will become Kashtanari Sparsya Jaiche Upujaya Vikar Chaitanya Charitamrita says. Yes. What to speak of the touching a wooden form of woman? Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Yes. Going to bazaar and looking at a wooden form woman putting on nice sari, oh, very nice sari. Don't touch it, don't look at it. If you do it, your mind will be agitated. Understand? Mind will be agitated. So you'll find such instruction there. This is 11th canto, 8th chapter, 14th verses. Nadi gacha striyam pragya karichin mrityumatmana baladhikei saha sahanyed gadei annir gadei yatha. Who is a wise man, intelligent man, he should not at any time touch a woman. Should not touch a woman, come in contact with a woman, because this coming in contact with a woman is opening your door to hell or to death. Definitely you'll meet death. Because a very strong elephant, how he becomes captured. Because of this sense, touch sensation, he becomes mad after this touch sensation. He runs there and then falls in the ditch, is captured. Similarly, if you cannot overcome this touch sensation and you'll become mad how to touch a woman, as a result, you'll be killed by the paramour of that woman. Yes, killed, yes. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur giving comments in this verse says, this uncontrolled senses, a person uncontrolled senses, not controlled senses, seeing a woman, immediately thinks, oh, the object of my enjoyment. Yes, immediately that desire crops up in the mind, in the heart. That is quite natural. Quite natural. Therefore, one of the synonym, what is a synonym? Synonyms of this woman is Josit. Josit means subject of enjoyment. As soon as a man sees uncontrolled senses, man who is uncontrolled, senses are not controlled, immediately this desire crops up in his mind, is the object of my enjoyment. Therefore he runs behind. He runs behind her. Do you understand? But she has a paramour. If you go to her, touches her, the paramour is there, who will come and kill you. Definitely will meet death. Don't do it. Yes, understand. Don't welcome death. Mr. Premji, don't welcome death. Conquer this touch sensation. 8th canto Bhagavatam. Bhagavan, Supreme Lord says, Vishwasam Pandito Dhatu Kamini Sunodati, 899. 899. Find out verse. 899. Read the verse. Yes, Bhagavan Vacha. Whole verse read.
English or
Sanskrit.
Kumchalam Mai Sangata Vishvam Sampantoja.
Jatu Kamini Suno Jati. Alright, that's the verse, yes.
Supreme Personality of Godhead in the form of Mohini.
Mohini, yes.
Told the demons, O sons of Kashyapa Muni, I'm only a prostitute.
I'm only a prostitute, yes.
How is it that you have so much faith in me?
You have so much faith in me. Yes, yes.
A learned person never puts his faith in a woman.
Yes, Chanakya Pandit says, Vishwasam vaivadayate strisu rajakulesu cha. A wise, intelligent man should not put faith in a woman or in a political person, politician, isn't it? Vishwasam vaivadayate strisu rajakulesu. Bhagavata says, and same thing. Then, sixth canto Bhagavata says, 6th, 1842 verse. Nahi kaschit priya strinang anjasa sriyatmanang pating putram bhrataram va grantyarthe ghatayanti cha.
To satisfy their own interests,
Yes.
women deal with men as if the men were most dear to them.
Yes, they appear like that, a deal. They, what say? They pretend, yes. So many gestures, postures, they, as a very dear, yes, yes.
But no one is actually dear to them.
No one is actually dear to them, no. Yes.
Women are supposed to be very saintly, but for their own interest, they can kill even their husbands, sons, or brothers, or cause them to be killed by others.
By others, yes. It's the nature of a woman.